Are you looking for the best Wi-Fi router? In this video we will look at some of the best Wi-Fi router on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. TPLink AX1800. The AX21's sleek black enclosure resembles that of TP-Link's Archer AX75, but instead of a texture top and 6 antennas, it has a grillwork top and 4 non-removable, adjustable antennas. The router is designed to sit on a desktop or can be mounted on a wall using 2 holes on the bottom. It measures 1.5 by 10.2 by 5.3 inches, HWD, and has 6 small LED indicators up front for power, activity for both radio bands, internet connectivity, and WPS and USB activity. Around back are 4 1 Gbps LAN ports, a 1 Gbps 1 port, WPS and reset buttons, a USB 2.0 port, and the power button and AC adapter jack. Link aggregation is not supported, and you won't find any multi-gig LAN/1 or high-speed USB ports, but that's not surprising considering the router's low price. The Archer AX21 is a dual-band AX1800 router that can hit maximum, theoretical, data rates of 574 Mbps on the 2.4 GHz band and 1,201 Mbps on the 5 GHz band. It's powered by a 1.5 GHz quad-core CPU and supports most of the latest Wi-Fi 6 technologies, including orthogonal frequency division multiple access, OFTMA, transmissions, WPA3 encryption, MUMO data streaming, and direct-to-client signal beamforming. However, unlike the ZTE AX3000 Pro, the AX21 does not support 160 MHz channel transmissions. It does, however, support one-mesh technology, which lets you create a mesh network using the AX21 and other compatible routers and extenders. Number 2. TPLink AX5400. The Archer AX73 uses a black enclosure with a texture top and 6 non-removable adjustable antennas. It measures 1.9 by 5.8 by 10.7 inches, HWD, and can be placed on a flat desktop surface or mounted on a wall. The front edge of the router holds 7 LED indicators for power, both radio bands, Internet, Ethernet, and USB connectivity, and WPS activity. Around back are 4 gigabit LAN ports, a gigabit 1 port, a power jack, and buttons for turning on/off Wi-Fi and the front LEDs. There's also a WPS button, a reset button, and a power button. A USB 3.0 port can be found on the right side of the router. Unlike the TP-Link AX50, this model does not support link aggregation, nor does it offer multi-gig connectivity. Number 3. TP-Link AC1900. On the whole, the TP-Link AC1900 Archer A9 manages the impressive 600 Mbps top streaming speed on the 2.4 GHz band and a further 1,300 Mbps on the 5 GHz band. Then again, it is designed to work seamlessly alongside the Amazon Alexa voice controls for your maximum convenience and utmost peace of mind. At its core is the MUMO gigabit router setting. This is capable of streaming out a whopping 3 simultaneous data jet that aids your devices in attaining optimal performances by largely making all the communication rather more efficient. It also enables your computing gadgets to work hand in hand with each other. A VPN server also comes along to help with concealing your identity while in uncharted territory. This server gives your router the ability to bypass geo-restrictions and access contents that are blocked in that territory or geographical domain. Doing that, it broadens your scope of access to online content. Thanks to its Smart Connect technology, this router directs its users to the less congested bands at any given time. The technology is basically capable of detecting the flow of traffic throughout the router and knowing where exactly there may be a vacancy to be tapped into. Number 4. Asus AC2900. The RT AC86U uses the same web-based management console and mobile app used to control the RT AC88U that we reviewed a while back. The web console opens to a network map that shows all connected clients, your internet and security status, and Wi-Fi information for each band. On the left is a menu containing general and advanced settings. General settings include guest networking, a traffic analyzer, USB storage settings, cloud settings that let you set up your own cloud server, adaptive CoS with manual and automatic bandwidth limiting and application-specific prioritization, and Game Boost, which gives you access to WT-fast routing technology and the gamer's private network to provide optimal bandwidth for TFast-enabled games. The RT AC86U uses Trend Micro's R protection software to block access to malicious sites, detect viruses, and apply parental controls such as blocking adult-oriented sites, restricting access to social media sites, and blocking streaming media and entertainment content. Number 5. Netgear Nighthawk 6-Stream AX5400. I had an old router that was on its last legs and I finally decided it was time to upgrade. I read a long list of reviews before I finally landed on the AX5400. It has not disappointed. My online gaming is flawless. My connection while working from home has not dropped once since upgrading. The cherry on top is the fact that my lady and the kids who are in a different part of our home when I am working can finally get a decent connection for their electronics without slowing down my connection when I am working. I would absolutely urge anyone who has multiple devices in their home to pick one up. Furthermore, the Wi-Fi 6 on my compatible devices is unrealistically fast when streaming HD videos. 2 thumbs way up.